Inihayag ni National Bureau of Investigation Director Attorney Melvin Matibag na mayroon na silang lead hinggil sa posibleng kinaroroonan ni Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa. Gayunman, tumanggi pa ang opisyal na magbigay ng detalye ukol dito.
Kung meron man po, I have to apologize because it's a part of our process sa law enforcement. So, hirap naman po mag-alaw sa nandito siya. Kasi people try to speculate. Kung namin lang yung lead na binigay, that we have a lead kung nasaan talaga. Pero in the meantime, we will suspend yung announcement kung nasaan talaga siya.
Hindi rin sinigot ng NBI Director ang tanong kung aarestuhin na nila si Senator Bato sakaling matagpuan na ang mambabatas.
I cannot answer, I'm sorry, because that's part of our internal procedure right now. What I can assure you, there is a valid warrant, there is already orders, but in the meantime, we are monitoring.